Hello and welcome to the first video from the Three Exhausted Minds. There are usually three of us, but at the moment there's just me. I'm Lewis and
I'm Rio.
Kieran is the third one. He's currently away in South Africa sunning himself up somewhere. But we do have quite a good first episode.
So the first episode is going to be all about an MG Metro. The family acquired it in 2010, but it's not been run for 27 years. So we're going to dig it out. It's for my mum. She doesn't know about it. Let's see what she says. And hopefully it puts a smile on her face.
This is going to be the first of a few episodes, so make sure you subscribe so you can follow us along with the journey. But I think first things first, go get the Metro.
Let's go get it.
What is the problem?
Well, you got your linkage from your gear stick going to your bottom of your box there. That play is alright, but I think there's a little seal that goes into the box there, and that's obviously leaking oil. Tell you what though, oil looks, I mean it is a bit brown, but I've seen worse, a lot worse. Well, I'll tell you what we can do. Turn the engine over, see if the engine turns over. Obviously it's been sat that long, we don't know where it's at and what's up with it. And if it turns over, we'll do some starting procedure sort of stuff, so spark plugs, points, dizzy caps, clean all that up. Change the oil and filter, because it's been sat since 2010, so we'll get on with that, I think. But I thought I'd see if the alternator seized, and it doesn't sound the best, I'm not gonna lie. It sounds very seized up in there.
Should that be spinning freewheeling?
Yeah, it was just slipping on the belt, but I'm gonna try and get something on the crank pulley and see if the engine turns over. I've also just found these two connectors. Oh, I bet they're off there, look. So these were down the back of there, and oh, what the fuck are they going? But looks like the brake and clutch fluid reservoir sensors of some sort, and I presume it'll bring a light up on the dash when the fluid gets low. So one job fixed already.
Rio's in the garage fixing stuff, which means I've got to go get some parts for the MG so we can make some good progress on it today. We're going to A to Z motor spares and motor parts, so hopefully they'll have what we need, and hopefully they'll fit, and hopefully they'll be installed nice and easy. It's weird trying to vlog and talking to the camera when you're totally on your own and following a white van. Now then, I bring you goods.
Where do we?
Traffic. You should have seen the fucking traffic, man.
Been ages.
Traffic!
So we're just going to check the spark plugs. We have got new ones, but if we're going to pull the old ones out, we'll be able to see if it was running lean or rich by the colour of the tip of the spark plug. Yeah, there's a big gap on them compared. So it is, yeah, it's definitely one. I reckon we'll change them all.
Just for good measure.
Yeah. At least then we know when we're trying to start it, we're going to get a good spark. We'll get a good spark hopefully. That's providing the distributor cap is sending the good spark down to the HT leads. So we know they're going to have a good spark, but to generate a good spark, you need your voltage, power, whatever you want to call it, coming up these HT leads from your distributor cap there. So how that works is there's a gear and a shaft that comes from the engine up into the dizzy cap, and that rotates on the rotor arm, and every time the rotor arm meets the point of one of the HT leads, it then sends a spark up to the spark plug. So next we're going to pull the cap off, make sure there's no corrosion in there, make sure the points are all happy days and whatever and all clean, and I think then we'll get the oil dropped out, I think. I can't fucking reach that. Oh, fuck's sake.
I wonder if Kieran's having a good time.
Okay, so hello from sunny South Africa. I am on holiday, yes, but I also have a side project. So this is my auntie's car, which she bumped the other day. And as you can see, everything's held together with cable ties. Cable ties, yes, and I've got a little helper. So, Rio, Blue, have fun with the metro. Peace out.
So what have we got today?
We've got today with spark plugs, oil and filter. That's it.
Oh yeah, tell us the problem with your tyres, Rio.
Well, I can't remember which way around it is, but they're either metric or, I think they're metric tyres. So, as much as I'd love to keep those wheels on, the original wheels, because look how cool they are. Like, have you ever seen anything as cool as them? But the tyre size, 160 by 65, 315, whereas modern day tyres are all like 13 inch, 17 inch, 20 inch, whatever. So they don't actually make these tyres anymore, so it's a case of, well, trying to hunt some down, but that's like an impossible mission. We've got 3 holding air at the moment, but 1 is just a write-off. So I think these might just be like show car wheels, possibly show car wheels if we take it to shows. But as general road going tyres, we're going to have to think of something else.
So if anybody's got any idea where we can get some tyres from, that are from what the 80s?
1984.
Yeah. Then let us know.
So, bit of a recap. We finally got the MG Metro to the unit and got it inside in the dry. We've got a few bits we need to order for it. We've got a massive tyre issue that we need to sort out, and hopefully in episode 2 we'll be able to get it running, get out for a wash, and maybe take it for a test drive.
So if you've made it this far, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, it's free, doesn't cost you anything. And if there's anything you want us to see or do rather in future, let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you on the next video.
Bye for now.
Change of plan. We have a problem.
Red Bull.
Again?
Back from my holiday and I'm back in the unit.
This is what I was looking for the whole time.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
How much did you pay for them?
Have a guess.
There.
You can see it. Hitting out.
Secret project.
Yeah.